Hmm. Okay, so let's try to fix this text box today. Hmm. Let's try to make it work. Backspace is it's recognizing, but let's make it work. So let's go to Textbox here. So what do I do? I am identifying if the component is hovered by the mouse, right? If it's hovered, if the mouse hovers over, and if the button is pressed, the left button is pressed, then I make it active. This is actually working, as you can see, right? Then if it's active, I have a blink time and I draw this cursor over here. This code is doing that. So, but also I am getting the key pressed every frame, and I verify if it's enter. If it's enter, it's active no more. So it's working until here. It's working, but if I press backspace, it also works because it logs here that backspace is pressed, right? So it seems to be working, but yeah, this I can do that. I cannot do that. And there is one problem because this text here, it's not allocated on the heap. It's allocated on the stack, and it's initialized as a string. So it's not what do you call it? It's not a dynamic array, right? So we need to make it a dynamic array of characters. So maybe we can do that on initialization, right? We can try to do that in initialization. And it is initialized here. And maybe I can define here. Maybe I can define a function to do that. Because maybe I can define a function to initialize every component. Because with default values, some default values. I mean, this is supposed to be immediate GUI, but it's not really 100% immediate because I'm holding some states in those components. And if you can see here in the button doesn't have any state. So, I mean, we don't have any button structure, right? We don't have any struct button because we don't need to hold a state for the button. We just care if the button was pressed or not. So, as you can see here, and it's pressed, it's pressed as soon as you click on it. You don't have to release it. It's right when you click. I think it's pretty good like that. But it's difficult to make like this combo box to not have a state, because we have to know what items it has, and you maybe not, maybe it doesn't need a state. You just have to pass all components. Yeah, but when we click for the first time, in the next frame, we have to know if it's clicked or not. So we have at least one little state, which is the active one, but maybe we don't need the items as a state. That's interesting. So we can try to, and not even the position and size, like the button. The button, we accept the position, and it has like a constant size. The size is the size of the text. So we maybe I think it's something like that we want. So I will create a drop-down, a new drop-down, which just have the active. But then we need to know which item is selected as well. So if we need a state, why not have more things, right? But I mean, yeah. So for the text box, we really need a state if it's the text. So, okay, we need this. So maybe here let's do something like that. Let's allocate some memory here. Let's allocate some memory here. Let's allocate like 256 bytes of memory, which will hold 256 chars for now. And then, yeah. And we have arena. We have an arena here. We have an arena here in MyCGUI, but we don't have here. What do we have in this H file? We have MyCGUI, and MyCGUI has the arena, so I suppose we have the arena here. We have the arena here. Yes, we have. If we have arena here, I mean, not this one. Test plug. We have the arena here. We have access to arena here. So let's allocate in the arena. Where is it? Here. I think it's arena alloc. Yes, arena alloc. We need to check if arena is null. If arena new. It's a good idea to call init. I think it is. Arena init. We pass arena, and the size of the arena maybe 1 megabyte. Why not? 1 megabyte, like so. Okay, so if we don't have an arena, we initialize it. And do the thing. So we do arena alloc. We have to pass the arena, but we don't have arena here. Maybe arena is a global variable. Arena. Why not? Like that. And we just pass here. Arena. Let's compile. Okay, so it seems to compile, and if we run it, ooh, it's like faulted. Really nice. Okay, maybe arena new. Init arena. Capacity size 0. Size, yes, it's okay. Yeah, this is arena, maybe default. Define ng arena. Come on. Arena default size 124, 124, 1 megabyte. Then here is arena ng arena size, but it is like 14. Let's try to, oh my god, what I'm doing. Build. It's building, okay, but we can, let's try to debug it. This is ng test. Let's break in main and run. Let's see where it's, where it is breaking. Seg fault library lib so. Okay, let's try to go step by step. Init window, and it's okay. So maybe we can try to break on. Am I building GDB? Yes. So we can try to break on plug init. Break plug init. doesn't know plugin it, not define it. So how do we debug SO files that are dynamically loaded? That's a good question. That's really a good question. Well, okay, so it is segfaulting, but why? Okay, let's see here. We are unlocking something. Maybe we are just unlocking, and it's a space reserved for it. There's a space for it. Just a moment. Okay. So yeah. Then we are here. We call the text box, and we pass this that we are unlocking. Yeah. Then where's my tab? Then MyCGUI. Then we are suddenly here. We measure the text, it to be nothing. It to be 0. Then this is 0 minus something. Okay. Then we draw, there's no text here. There's no text. Then we draw the text. Maybe we should initialize with something. Then we can do sprintf on plug tb dot text, like something like hello, just to be something, to have something there. I don't think this is the problem, but okay, so we have some errors, and the first one is we don't have stdio. We have to include stdio .h. That's it. That was it. Then let's just run it. Okay, segfaulted pretty much badly. Better than before. More bad than before. Worse than before. So if we just do malloc, and for malloc we need stdlib Okay, so malloc, we don't need array, of course. We just need this. And then I can put like /0 in the end. And make embedded word. Oh, we don't need that, I think. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty much working. That's good. So now we can check if my approach would work. If I just, on backspace, I just to tb text, the length of the text. -1 to be the, I have to set up my keyboard, just US to be /0. Like so. If I have hello, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and length is 5. So 5 and 1 is 4, and 4 will be /0. Yeah, let's see. Then I have to, yeah, so the string length automatically will be less. Let's try this. Let's compile and let's run it. And let's try to do this. It's working. That's nice. And if I want any other key, I mean not any other key, but between A and Z. But let's just do it. Then this will be key. Just like that. Compile, run. Go here and do, oh, okay. So not good because it's always is something. Okay, so this is else if. So let's go to raylib, maybe in another tab. It's headers raylib and get the key. So yeah, it's pretty good because it's in a sequence. So yeah, it's ASCII. Greater or equal to 65. I mean, it can be anything, right? 39. Oh, not all of them. Some of them. Okay, so I have to have something like an array of valid values that I need, like this printable variable. Oh, this is both upper and lower case. Okay, let's see how it goes. This and also space. the rest is not good enough. Maybe those other ones, but it's fine for now. I'll do this, copy here, and I will do something in the end here. Something in the end here, like this. No, I lost everything. Like this. To space. Something like this, right? Then I do this. And I do find this and delete. But I need to delete twice. I need to delete twice. No, I need to. How do I, if I do this, I have to do I need to do this, but how do I do this? How is delete? If I come here to backspace, but how can I? Okay, so it's a macro. Let's do a macro. I do a delete, then go down, then stop recording, and I do one more time, and I do 10 times this, and more 10 times this, and more 10, no, just one. It's okay. And now I can do, okay, so now if I do it again, no, it breaks because I have to go to the end of the line and do this and space. And right, so I just need to do this several times. Like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Nice. This is my allowed chars or allowed keys, right? Like that. So I can come here, put it here, allowed keys. Now I have to make a function that checks for a item in this list. I do a void is key allowed, which is a boolean, and I pass a key. Is key allowed. So I iterate over this equals 0. Size of If k equals allow I return true. Return false. Okay, so that's it. Then I can finally do if is key allowed key that. So let's make it comparison of integer expression on different segments, include and segment int. Really, come on, I have to convert it. This, it seems to be working, at least compiles. And then we can, yeah, I just forgot to advance. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, I have to, it's the next one that should be like this. I need to be sure that the other one is this. I need to be sure. So build, make it hello world. It's always uppercase. Okay, that's, yeah, that's that's what happens when you are developing your own GUI from scratch, right? So everything is uppercase, and yeah, it does that. And if you hold it, nothing happens. Backspace, nothing happens. But okay, it's starting to go somewhere. I think at least I solved the problem with typing on the text box. So it's good enough for now, but we are leaking some memory. We are leaking some memory because we are allocating here. We are allocating here. I don't need this. And every time, okay, but we are on initialization, we are allocating just once. So we are not allocating every frame, which is good. So in the end, when we close the window, it will, the operating system will be allocated for us. So I don't mind. Okay. Yeah, so we have some things to do now. We just have to we just have to make it lowercase. Let's print the value. Let's print the value here. Press the key. Let's print the. I don't know if tracelog accepts these varied arguments. It seems to accept. Yeah. If we do a, it's an a. Okay, so let's print as integer. If we do lowercase a, it's still a. Oh, we have to compile. Come on. Lowercase a is 65. Okay, so both of them are the same. It makes sense. But now let's look for the ASCII table. Okay. 65, it should be an A. Yes, it's the uppercase one. So if we increase 65 plus 65, oh, I closed the window. 65, 97 minus 65, 32. If we add 32, it will be always lowercase, but I have to differentiate them. So get key pressed. I want to use get key pressed then. I don't want to use get key press because it will be always 65. Now it is get key pressed. Now it's, I cannot see. Yes, I can see the source code. Let's check Raylib source code. Raylib git get key pressed. Here's just the H file. It's not a single-headed library. Maybe it's our text. Maybe here we can find get key. No, it's not our text. Our core. Get key. Yes, get key pressed. Okay, so it's in the core. Get char. Okay, get char. Here. Key code único. Oh, come on, it's get char. It is get char. I think it is get char. Get char. Come on, where am I? Get char pressed. So let's try to make if it is greater than 65 or maybe greater than 33. To Everyone here is printable. Everyone here is printable. Okay. Yes, until 126. Why not? 126. So this is easier if k is between 33 included and 100 and and 26 included. Then, oh, what happened? 26. If this happens, then we do this. Let's make and let's run it. See my queue. Let's run it. Hey. So hello, but backspace is not working anymore. Oh yes, because now that space is, well, we can get both. We can get both. We can get C is sharp and K and K is key. So we can do everything, including this. C. And this is C. It's confusing, maybe. Maybe it's confusing. But then we can delete, we can add, we can do space. Not allowed to do space yet. And then we do world and exclamation mark. We can do everything. Let's do a space. Space is like so. Key space. Key space. Then we just do this. This is but maybe we can add as this is space sp. Yes, okay, so 32. It's easier. It's easier to include 32. Now we can make and we can run it, and we can do finally hello world. That's really ogres. That's really nice. Then we can make the button just to be fun. We may make the button to do trace log. Instead of doing this, it will do tb plug tb text, and here will be this log text, like so. We can compile and then we can run it. Log test, hello, and world. We cannot run the cursor, we have to do this, but it's fine. Really nice. I'm really happy. I'm really satisfied with this. So achieved, objective achieved, mission accomplished. That's it. Till next time. See ya.